Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Well, Hubert, nice to see you again. I hope you enjoy your weekend, alright? And Mika, alright, Flora. Oh, you're tested positive, okay. Well, please take care, okay. Feeling good just as per normal. Okay, that's good. Okay, alright, Roger, nice to see you here. And also, okay, and nice to see Riano. All right, Rika and Leonard. All right, okay, and Fab 你好, Wang Zhiyu 你好, Trinette and Bradley, Aiden. Well, nice to see all of you here. All right, so good to see all of you here because we are also officially now back into our 1 hour trading. So in another 55 minutes, the Euro market is going to start. So today, right now over here, I'm going to start from now on. Okay, I'm going to start my analysis at GMT plus 8, 1 p.m., 13 hours. Okay, all right. So, okay, can I have the MT4, please? Thank you. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, so what do we have here? Haha. Okay, so guys, thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay, yes. Right. So let's move. Okay, that's great to hear that. Most of you have actually grabbed a good profit last week. Okay, so remember to reset all your trading mindset and restart today all over again. Okay, it has to be 0. Okay, all right, so now let's go. Okay, Aussie CAD. So Aussie CAD is very obvious that now we are building up another higher support. Okay, after meeting up with this support here. Okay, so as you can see, all right, so over here it came down and it went up again. Okay, back into our. All right, so this bear zone over here, it looks like there are something we are looking at how it's actually going to start trading. Is it very confusing over here, this part? Yes, it will be. Okay, so tentatively we are going to give it a miss. Okay, because if you're trading within the resisted area here for a buy, it is not advisable. But for a selling, for a short, it is also not that ideal. Okay, not that ideal. Okay, why is that? So it's because right now by looking at all this, okay, we are looking at the point that whereby this is not really that ideal, as this stage here we have a lot of turbulence. Okay, so over here it seems like it has a lot of chances that it's going to have a lot of turbulence going to happen. So we're going to give this a miss. Okay. Okay, so let's move again. Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc. Okay. Now Aussie right here. Okay. By looking at this Aussie franc, okay, we are looking at this Aussie franc as a bull. So the bull is actually running very strongly. Okay, it's a very in a bullish market right now. So buyers, can we buy? I will say yes. Okay. By looking at this, there's a support already. Okay, so now it's on the way to buy. So over here in H1, there's also another support level. It's also going for a buy as well. So currently, by looking at this point here, okay, so this part here, when it started to go for a buy, it is actually going, not that much of a selling signal. Okay, and if it comes for selling, there's a lot of support as well. So currently I won't be looking at for any selling. Buying is already very possible. Okay, so but Aussie franc, yes, but from this part here we have already been looking at for a buy, and it has been buying for a while, a long while. Am I right? Okay, so we are looking at the buying trend, but I wouldn't go for a selling trend for this. All right. Okay, so right now And by looking at this, okay, by looking at this over here, since over here we are actually going for a buy. Okay, we are going for a buy right now. Yes, then I would say that it is still going for Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. Aussie yen is also going for a buy right now. As you can see, this buying is very strong. So I will still say that currently for Aussie yen, it is still on the upward trend. As I have mentioned earlier on, okay, like last 2 weeks, we have plenty of space for buying. So buyers, you can take note of this. Okay, buying trade. Okay, so Aussie yen, I will still go for a buy if there's a chance for the buyers. Okay, definitely it's not me. Okay, because I'm a seller. All right, so definitely I will give this a miss. Okay, how about Aussie Kiwi? Aussie Kiwi. Okay, Aussie Kiwi right now. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Okay, Aussie Kiwi over here. By looking at Aussie Kiwi, over this part here, Aussie Kiwi, as you can see, Aussie are all running very strong. Okay, then we are now exceeding the expectation for this Aussie Kiwi. As you can see that it is actually still pushing through this area. It's pushing through this area of bear zone. So I guess it's going to break very soon. So buying is still possible. All right, how about Aussie dollar? How about Aussie dollar? Okay, Aussie dollar over here. Okay, Aussie dollar, as we can see, Aussie dollar now, right now, is also trying to push through into the bear zone. Okay, as you can see, yeah, it is still on the bull run. Okay, it's still on the bull run. As we can see from here, this part here, higher support, respecting the support, and still continue building a higher support, going up. Am I right? Okay, so currently by looking at this, I would say that yes, it is still ongoing for a bull run. Okay, so this bull is still very strong. So for all the Aussie, tentatively, I will not going for a sell. Okay, however, there may be a retracement after the second half of the day. That's very likely. Okay, so by looking at this right now, I will still consider that even there's a slip off, slide down, I will still say it's going to be a retracement. So maybe a chance that building a higher support. So I won't touch this. Okay, all right. Hi CK, nice to see you here. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie over here. Right, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at the trend first. The trend is in the downward trend. Okay, Euro Aussie, as Aussie is rebuilding strong. So along the way with this cross pair, as we can see. All right, so this is actually going into the bull zone. So bull zone, into the bull zone. So you see, when Aussie is in the bear or exceeding, breaking the bear zone, okay, so Euro Aussie being the cross pair, probably being affected, so it's going into the bull zone. So Aussie going to the bear, Euro Aussie being the cross pair going to the bull. So that means to say, it is still in the selling mode, correct? It is still in the selling mode. However, this selling mode over here seems like it's going to have a lot of resistance, okay, a lot of support here that is going to stop the selling. So today we are going to have a fight with the support. So Euro Aussie, although it is in this zone, will there be a chance that it will break through? Okay, so likely, okay, because as looking for H4, there will be a good chance that it's going to break. Okay, as you can see, the previous support here now is breaking. Okay, so I would say that the resistance is still here. So currently Euro Aussie, it is in the breaking stage. Okay, so in the breaking stage, that means to say I can sell. Well, okay, if there's a selling signal like this right now over here, okay, right now over here, okay, there's a new resistance building up. Okay, a new resistance building up below, just below. It is just below the bull zone. Will there be a chance to sell? I would say probably yes, there may be. Okay, however, it can be quite risky. Okay, so I would rather keep a lookout first before I take any action. Okay, as I said, the Aussie is actually going up and may have a slip and retracement on the second half of the day. That also means that Euro Aussie may have a retracement going up, correct? So I will not sell this first, okay? Okay, so how about EURCAD? Right, EURCAD has successfully exceeded and break through the bull zone. Now this bull zone, okay, looks good. That is breakthrough. So we are still in the selling mode. So do we have any support that we should pay attention to? Okay, so let's take a look. Wow, what's happening? Okay, so over here. All right, what is this? Oh my god. Okay, so now let's take a look. 1, 2. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so right now for EURCAD, we are having a support here. The support has been tested once, and next that is coming back for a buy. That most likely, okay, I will say. All right. So over here, okay, we have a excuse me. Okay. Okay, over here, we have a resistance. We have a resistance over here. Okay, so this resistance over here, 30 over pips. But I would say that if I want to short this EURCAD, probably I have two choices. Okay, one choice is to break the resistance. Is to break the support with a new resistance below. Then I will start trading. If not, I will see that it will start to go up and test the resistance without breaking. Then it will continue the selling. Okay, so EURCAD is I will say that is quite potential. Okay, I'm going to put EURCAD into my list. Okay. Okay, so EURCAD. Okay, next to go. All right, same thing. I'm not going to touch on EUROPOUND. Okay, EUROPOUND is not very ideal. Okay, so next to go, Euro yen. So pretty much I can see that yen is getting very weak, I would say. Okay, so now we are into the bear zone. So this zone is we are going to face with a lot of turbulence. So in this zone, okay, what are we going to do is that I'm going to skip. Okay, so I'm going to skip trading in this zone because a lot of turbulence is going to happen. So tentatively, Euro yen, I would say, like I said last week, okay, probably this week we may have a chance. Okay, so let's be patient and wait for it to happen. Okay, all right. So next to go is Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi. Looks like the whole thing is going down and now going down again. All right, so we are looking at facing on this selling. Okay, we are going for selling over here, but again, where's the support? Okay, the support since last week it has been ranging, going sideways over here, and seems like it's an airplane landing. Okay, will it continue to break through? Okay, so I would say that there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance of breaking through. Okay, by looking at this over here, as you can see, it's very obvious that it has been tested the support. Okay, the support has been tested for a few times, and finally it is still in the sideways. Okay, so right now it is forming a resistance over here, but it looks like we are very near to the support. Yeah, we are very near to support. So as you can see, downward trend from this. We have been selling Euro Kiwi for so long, and after that we have been selling this for a month. Okay, so and now coming 2 months, after 2 months of selling, and Euro Kiwi now is hitting on the support. So well, it's hitting on this support, but is this support really a very strong one? I will still say that we still have plenty of space before we hit into the bull. So Euro Kiwi, I'm going to wait for it to break the support level with a new resistance below. Okay, then I will start selling. Okay, if not, Okay, if not, I'm going to give this a miss. All right. Okay, so if let's say, okay, Euro Kiwi, if it retraces upwards, tested the resistance without breaking, okay, and with a new selling signal, Euro Kiwi, yes, we can sell. Okay, we can sell from the resistance area to the support. We still have about 40 pips to go, which I think is still reasonable and very pretty good. Okay, enough space for us. Okay, so yeah, let's move again. Euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Euro dollar over here, we are now, like we said last week, we wanted to break the support level here. Okay, so now it's facing on the meeting of your resistance over here. And this area of resistance has already created a selling. All right, so let's take a look. So support. Last week we were talking about this support and it has finally break over here, over here. Okay, so we have another support here. Okay, as you can see, there's a support level here. Support, okay, tested, and the support remains. Okay, the support remains. So over here, how many pips do we have? We have about 14 pips. Okay, since that's the case, okay, I guess very likely it will have a, it will break through, but it will retrace quickly to form a support, become a resistance over here. Then we will start selling again. Okay, it must break the support to form another resistance. Then I will start selling for euro dollar. Okay, that's for euro dollar. Okay. All right, so euro dollar looks good again. Okay, so let's be patient and wait for things to happen. Okay, and of course, not forgetting to look out for the next resistance as well. Okay, so yep. Okay, so roughly over here, yes, it's about here. Okay, so let's wait for it to happen. Break the support here, which will eventually become a resistance. Okay, so this one we can take a look. Okay, yep, euro dollar. Okay, how about pound Aussie? Pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie over here. Yes, pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, yeah, the Aussie is going strong and the pound has already break through the bull zone last week. And today being the first day of the week, it has already break the supports as well. So it's now going on the bear. Still going on the bear. All right, it is still going on the bear trend. Okay, so let's see what are we expecting. Okay, and over here, all right, let's see where's the support level. Let me check. Okay, the support level over here, wow, this support is actually pretty low. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, we still have plenty of space to go. Okay. Okay, so let me estimate that this one. Okay, we still have some space to go. So let's wait. I think a pound Aussie will be a good one. Okay, pound Aussie will be a good one. That tentatively, by looking at this, okay, what are we looking at? The support. Oh yeah, we are so near to the support. Okay, we are so near to the support. Okay. All right. And okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, this is tough. This is really tough, man. Okay, there's a support here. Let me see. Okay. Why am I plotting this support here? It's because I cannot see any support area in H4 and H1. So when you can see, you have to move up to a higher time frame, okay, so that you can identify where it's hitting the low of the low of the low. Then we are going to look out for another support level, which is very near to us and which may be also a very strong one. Okay, so by looking at this, we only have about 15 pips. Okay, Power Aussie is still in the trend of selling. So can we sell? Yes. Okay, I will sell when it breaks the support level over here. Okay, and we will have a new resistance below. Then we start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, Power Aussie. Okay, I'm gonna put this into my list. Okay, let's move again to Pound CAD. POWCAD. Okay, POWCAD over here. All right, POWCAD looks like it's good to sell again. Well, good space to go. All right. So let's see. There's a support level here. Well, there's a support level over here. Okay. yeah, that's right. That's right. The support level. Okay, so support level is quite good. Okay, this is a very strong support. Okay, so right now, by looking at this over here, okay, H4, we are going to sell, and there's a resistance over here. Okay, as you can see, previous support tested break. So the resistance level may be here. All right, so yeah, can we still sell? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so by looking at this part here, the resistance, okay, we are quite low. Okay, so if there's a new resistance coming over at this area, okay, within this area, we may have another chance to sell. Well, POWCAD looks good. POWCAD, okay, right. POWCAD is looking good, so I'm going to put POWCAD into my list. Okay, all right. So how about POWFRANC? Let's take a look at POWFRANC. Okay, POWFRANC. All right, POWFRANC. Well. Now let's take a look at POWFRANC. We are actually now in the downward trend, as you can see. All right. So over here, as you can see over here, this is the support. Okay, we have a support over here, but it's quite far away right now. So let's zoom in to see if there's any possible chance that for us to grab a 5 or 10. All right. So now let's see. Oh, it has a, well, when it's this morning when the market opens, it has actually has a support and now being tested once, and can you see a little one here? Okay, it tested once and breaks, it become a resistance. So this resistance and now being the new resistance now. Okay, so we are on the resistance already, so looks good, looks pretty good for me, to me. Okay, and well, but over here I won't be selling. Okay. It looks pretty good, but I won't be selling. Why? Okay, so let's take a look. In day one over here, all right, so let's take a look here. As you can see, this chart here, okay, this 3 candle here, all right, okay, it's a chart pattern, okay, it's a candlestick pattern over here, okay. Gap down, selling, but it has been rejected. And now today we have a gap up. So this kind of chart, usually it gives a signal that it's a reversal. It's going to have a reversal. So I'm not going to sell. Okay, I'm not going to sell for POWFRANC over here. All right. Okay. Yes. That's in day one. Correct. Okay, Roger. Yes, you're right. Okay. So let's move again. Pound yen. All right. Yen is getting very weak. So all the other currency is taking advantage of it. So moving towards the bull. So pound yen is now still moving towards the bull. Okay, so like I said last week, pound yen, I'm looking at this week whether it has a chance to actually go into the bear zone and then start to reverse back. Okay, I want to trade on the reversal. Okay, this reversal. So I'm going to be patient to wait. All right. So buyers, you still have a great space to go. Okay, so good luck to the buyers, but sellers, we have to stay away. Okay. Okay, pound kiwi. Okay, let's take a look at pound kiwi. We are still on the selling mode. As you can see, the trend trending downwards. Okay, so that's good. So let's take a look. Where is the support level? The support level remains the same, no change. All right, no change to the support level. So how about the resistance level? Okay, let's take a look at resistance level. Okay, resistance level right now. Okay, we are over here. Okay, so resistance level is still here, no change. Okay, so for pound kiwi, we have I will suggest pound kiwi, okay, to break down the support with a new resistance below. Okay, then we start trading. Okay, if not, this is the no-go. All right. Okay, so pound kiwi must break the support. Okay, this one must break the support. Okay, pound kiwi. Okay, must break the support. All right, next to go, pound dollar. Pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Now we are still in the selling mode. Well, that's good. All right, so let's check where is the place that we should be selling. All right, H4. Yes, H4. Okay, we have okay, by looking at this right now. Okay, so we have a support here has been tested, break. So when it come and when it retrace upwards and hits on the resistance here, which eventually the previous support has become the resistance, and we have a good chance to sell. Let's see how many pips do we have. We have about 4 pips. Okay, plus minus about 40 pips. Okay, so pound dollar, please be patient. Okay, let it go up, test on the resistance over here. Once the resistance tested without breaking, then we will have a good chance to sell. Okay, we have a good chance to sell, and also good space to sell also. All right, so please take note. Okay, we are looking out for this pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, which is good. Okay, so we are still in the trading market right now. If you, as you can see, the market is still trading downwards. So I will prefer this pound dollar to be in my watch list. Okay. All right, so now let's go for pound dollar, which is good. Okay, so next to go dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD, we are still in the bear trend. However, by looking at this, the bear trend today, we are experiencing a retracement. There's a support, okay, over here. And looking at this, seems like we are going to wait for it for a while. Okay, it's I think well, I guess very likely it will still continue to try to break the support. Okay, we have a support, this support over here. Okay, right down here. Okay, so looks like we have a good space. Okay, yes, right now, let's see, the resistance coming down. This is a lower resistance over here. Now, is as you can see, H1, there's a resistance here. Okay, the resistance over here and looking good. Well. Okay, dollar CAD, dollar CAD. By looking at this right now, we are still in higher support within the bear trend. Okay, there's some buying. Okay, there's some buying to test the resistance over here. Okay, so looks like over here is still in the upward retracement. So let's wait for it to test on the resistance. Okay, if the resistance is not breaking, then we will have a chance to sell. Okay, then we have a chance to sell. All right. So dollar CAD, by looking at dollar CAD here, we are very near, okay, to selling. Okay, so now it looks like there's a rejection over here. Haha. Okay. Do I want to put this into my list? I would say yes. Okay. Yes, we have a chance. Okay. Looks good to sell. Yeah, this is looking good to sell. Okay. But we just need to be very patient. Okay, just need to be very patient. Okay, for M5 actually to show us the lower resistance running on the trending downwards, then we can start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, dollar CAD, I'm going to put this into my list. Right, how about dollar franc? Okay, dollar franc right now. Okay, dollar franc we have retraced upwards already. Okay, so now it's still on the bull. So tentatively buying is still possible for dollar franc, but no for selling. Okay, no for selling. All right. Okay, so let's give this a miss. Okay. How about dollar yen? Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen over here. Dollar yen, as we know, dollar has taken a right and now it's hitting more than 1.123, 123.106, and now still on the move. So still into the bull. So congratulations, buyers. Last week, throughout the dollar yen, you are buying. Yeah, good luck. Okay, and good profit, I believe. Okay, so over here, I'm going to give dollar yen straight away a missed. Okay, so yes, lastly, let's talk about Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. Congratulations, Riano. Yes, we are very happy that this has actually coming to our mark of 48. Okay, so Bitcoin is still on the rise. All right, so Bitcoin is still on the rise, and this Bitcoin is also with this now running through, okay, in this war. Okay, testing on the cryptocurrency. Okay, so I guess this is really good. Okay, I guess now, okay, as you can see from the previous weeks in beginning of the month, as we can see over here, it has tested the support, okay, over here, and I actually telling you that it's actually looking for a support to push for 45, and after that is 48. All right, so yes, it's going according to our plan. So now it's pushing through the 48 mark. Is once the 48 mark has been pushed through, okay, then we are heading further up. Okay, we are heading further up. All right, so I would like to say is that for now, okay, this is where this how to say Bitcoin is an instrument that I will always look out for a buy. Okay, although in currency forex trading, I will always looking for a sell. Okay, I will be always going for a selling. However, right, but for Bitcoin, I will going for a reverse. Okay, a reverse strategy. I will going for a buy. All right, so Bitcoin is still looking good to buy. Okay, we still have enough space to hit this 48. And of course, we are still looking at more than 48. Okay, this is the first quarter is going to end, so I believe this Bitcoin will actually have something, okay, that are going to shock the market. All right. So yes, I will continue the buy. All right. Okay. So yes, Bitcoin continue the buy. All right. Good. Okay, Aiden, you are good with BTC, huh? Okay. I then all right, so as long as you understand how it moves, okay, where is the up, where is the up, what do you mean by where's the up? Oh, further up, is that so? Okay, I guess so. Yeah, all right, so the next further up, probably let me study first, okay, and I get back to you tomorrow. Okay. Okay, because they need a lot of studies. It's not just a technical analysis. All right. So okay, so yeah, coming to the end of this session today. All right. So I hope everybody would like this session. Okay. If you are new here, remember to click on the subscribe button, ring up the bell to get my updates, and not forgetting to support me by giving me smash the thumbs up button to give me a like. All right. Okay, so I'm going to sum up and let's see what do we have for today. Okay, what we are going to have for today. All right. EURCAD, Euro Kiwi, Euro Dollar, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound Kiwi, Pound Dollar, and Dollar CAD. All right. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. All right. So, oh, pardon me for my spelling error. Okay, so Euro Dollar, right? Okay, let me correct it again, just in case. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, correct it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. So I wish all of you to have a great trading day and also plenty of profit today. And I shall see you tomorrow again. Okay. All right. So this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you tomorrow again. See you.